we had a meeting yesterday only with the police inspector of Anjuna police station. Delilah Lobo had a meeting. I was also present, and he is being told to call all the club owners, all the restaurant owners, all the guest house owners of Anjuna, Vagator, Shapora, and in his jurisdiction, whatever owners are there, to instruct them to tell all the staff, no matter how drunk the tourist is, do not touch them. No matter what is the situation, you can't touch them, you can't hit them. You can't hit the tourist. So just dial the police helpline number 112 or the respected PSI or whatever numbers the police are giving. Yeah, they have to give them the staff and let the police come on site and diffuse the situation. You can't, as a hospitality industry, as a owner of a restaurant or a club or a guest house, we can't hit the tourist. Last year असे प्रॉब्लेम झाले आणि त्याच्या उपरांत चीफ मिनिस्टरान स्ट्रिक्ट वॉर्निंगूय दिल्ले दॅट वी विल नॉट हेजिटेट टू शट युअर बिझनेस. Deputy Collector will seal your premises if you do anything wrong, especially if you hit the tourist in your premises, it will be shut. So also report police धाडटा मागीर Deputy Collector and Deputy Collector order pass करूंक शकता की that this particular establishment is wrongfully harassing or hitting the tourist, disturbing the this of the state, sending wrong message. So this should stop. So अशे strong message म्हाका दिसता चीफ मिनिस्टर दितलो.
दर्यादेगांचेर विदेशी बायल पर्यटकांच्या वाटेक वचपी देशी पर्यटकांचेर खर कारवाय करपाची गरज आसा अशें मायकलाक दिसता.
That tourism police which are on the beach should take strict action on that. Tourists cannot be harassed, tourists cannot be touched, especially
domestic tourist
a lady tourist, a woman who is on the beach, who are with their friends, should not be touched by any male tourist. So action should be taken on them.
प्रुडंटा खातीर चेतन गांवस.